Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Super stoked to walk you guys through this brand new boat that we just got in. This is a 2026 Sylvan G-5. It's packed with features, 350 horsepower Mercury outboard. Ton to check out. Hop aboard and let's check it out. All right, we are on board the brand new 2026 G5. Like I said, super excited to walk you guys through this boat. We're gonna start up here in the bow of the boat. Really nice seating on your port and starboard side. You will have flip down armrests on both sides. And then you are going to have a couple recessed speakers as well as your cup holders that are lighted. So you have your accent lighting, any color of the rainbow, so you can really elevate the experience at night. Sitting right beneath you, you're going to have your subfloor storage, your ski locker. So, you know, that'll carry anything from your skis, tubes, floaties, whatever you're bringing out on the water with you. That's kind of your garage. And then this boat is optioned with the dual console setup. So this boat does have twin captain's chairs, and with the dual console setup, you do get the full wraparound glass windshield. Moving into the cockpit, like I said, you are going to, with the dual console setup, you will have both raised helms. So here, you're gonna have a raised helm as well as a little storage compartment. Really nice co-captain's chair with a giant flip-up bolster. And then moving over here to our helm station, you're going to have your Simrad multifunction display. So that's going to give you everything from your chart plotter, your depth finder, and all your Mercury information, as well as your wet sound stereo system head unit. Right below that, you are going to have your Mercury digital throttle and shift, which is paired with a Mercury V10 350 horse outboard motor on this boat. So this boat will definitely move. One other thing I want to mention is the power top on this boat. This boat does have a power bimini top. This is actually our high-speed bimini, so you can go, you know, paired with that 350 horse motor. You're not going to have any issues with the bimini top at speed. Moving back into the transom of the boat, you are going to have a nice little summer kitchen right here. You're going to have a little wraparound seat right here with a swing back setup, so this will actually swing forward and back depending on how you want to use the boat, if you want to lay back here and get a little bit of sun. And then you are going to have a full enclosure with an integrated ski tow bar back here, so you can do all your water sports, tubing, you know, whatever you're wanting to do out on the water. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. This is probably one of my favorite Sylvans that we have, especially with the dual console and windscreen setup. So if you want to come check it out, visit us here at MarineMax, or if you'd like some more information, just visit us at marinemax.com.